Hi everyone, welcome to Salt Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to check the backup path and backup frequency in a maintenance plan. If you can see this task, what they're asking is, please provide us information on when and where the full database backup is being stored for the database at the above mentioned server. So database just mention, imagine like it was a test and the job name they have given is maintenance plan underscore DB backup full. So we have to check this job is available in the server or not. So there is a job with the same name, but if you can see here, you can see subplan underscore one. If you can see this subplan underscore one or subplan underscore two, that means there is a maintenance plan is configured for the backups. So if you can expand here, you can see the maintenance plan with the same name. So what they're asking here, we have to identify the job frequency, like how frequent the backups are happening and where these backups are stored. Path you can identify from here. Just click on modify. Just click on edit here. In the destination tab, you can see the path. This is the path where the backups were being stored. If you want to check the path, then you can check this one also. So this is the path. Now we have to identify the backup frequency. Just go to the job properties. Here you can see the schedules. Here you can see the job frequency, like how frequently the backups are happening. So it's occurring every week on Sunday at 10 p.m. So after identifying these two things like job frequency and the path, I have to send an email to the user. I'll show you how to send an email as well. Let's go to the new email and give the email that you want to send. Just subject, you can give the task name, that is task number, and the job name also you can give if you want. Job details. Backup, so the below path and backups are happening every week and Sunday. That should be capital at 10 p.m. You can simply send an email like this. If you want to put more details, then I can give the job details as well. You can give the details like this. You can send an email like this. Thanks for watching.